Listen, you could wake up tomorrow and your entire YouTube channel is gone. No warning, no second chance, just deleted. And the scary part, it's happening right now, especially to Faceless and AI channels. One of my students messaged me recently, their channel gone, deleted overnight. And when we checked the reason YouTube gave, that's when everything started to make sense. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why YouTube is deleting these channels, what mistake triggered it, and how you can avoid being next. Because if you're running a Faceless or AI channel, you need to hear this. So one of my students reached out to me, stressed. He had invested money into his channel, content, editing, everything. Things were starting to pick up, then boom, channel deleted, no gradual warning, no strike 1, strike 2, just straight removal. At first it felt random, but then we looked at the appeal response YouTube sent him, and once I read that message, I knew exactly what went wrong. Now let me simplify what YouTube basically said in that message. Spam, deceptive practices, and scams. This is usually not about actual scams. It's YouTube's umbrella label for low-value content, mass-produced or reused style content. And this is where a lot of faceless creators get it wrong because they think, as long as I'm posting consistently, I'm safe. No, YouTube is no longer rewarding channels that just exist. They're rewarding channels that add value, originality, or transformation. So if your content looks like copied scripts, AI-generated voiceovers with no personality, reused clips with little to no editing, or content that looks exactly like 100 other channels, you are at risk. Let's be honest, a lot of faceless channels right now are just copy and paste machines. Same topics, same scripts, same stock videos, same robotic voice, and YouTube's system is getting smarter. They can now detect patterns like duplicate structures, low transformation, mass-produced AI content. So even if you didn't copy directly, if your content feels like low-effort replication, YouTube treats it the same way. That's the harsh truth. From what I analyzed, here's what likely triggered my students' channel deletion. 1. Low content originality. 2. Heavy reliance on AI without human input. 3. Content that didn't feel owned by the creator. 4. Possibly similar videos already existing in bulk. It wasn't just one video, it was a pattern across the channel, and that's what people don't realize. YouTube doesn't just look at one upload, they look at your entire content behavior. If you don't want this to happen to you, avoid this at all costs. Don't mass produce generic AI videos. Don't copy trending videos word for word. Don't rely on just text to speech with no personality. Don't use random stock footage without meaningful editing. Don't build a channel that looks identical to others. If your channel can be easily replaced, YouTube will replace you. Simple. Now here's what you should be doing if you want to stay safe and grow. 1. Add human touch. Even if you're faceless, add personality, storytelling, opinions, and unique delivery style. 2. Transform your content. Don't just present information, break it down, explain it differently, make it yours. 3. Upgrade your voiceovers. Avoid robotic voices. Use more natural AI voices, or better yet, your own voice if possible. 4. Edit with intention. Your visuals should match what you're saying, not just random clips thrown together. 5. Build a brand, not just videos. When people see your content, they should feel this is this creator, not I've seen this somewhere before. Now, if your channel is already gone, don't panic, but also don't repeat the same mistake. Before you start a new channel, change your content approach, focus on originality, slow down the mass production, prioritize quality over quantity. Because if you recreate the same system, you'll get the same results. Right now, YouTube is cleaning house, and faceless creators who don't adapt will get left behind. So the real question is, are you building a channel or just uploading videos? Because one survives, the other gets deleted. Share this video and save a fellow YouTuber from this heartbreak. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.